Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, whichever it is. Welcome back. This is day 3. I've got one of each under my belt. Got a pretty unfortunate loss first day. Got a win by abandonment second day. So we're sitting at 640, hoping to continue up, and this graph starts to look less like something that hopefully it starts to look better with more games under my belt. But I've been playing some puzzles, been watching some more games. Hopefully it's been rubbing off. Puzzles, I'm up to about 1408, but I know that that's not indicative of skill in rapid games. So I'll keep doing that, and then keep playing these games. So see who is on the docket for today. Let's get an online game. 10-5. Taking a little bit this morning. Haven't really thought about what I want to do. If it's white, e4, black, Carocon. So it looks like we're going to have a Carocon game. Yep. Met with d5. You're going to take. If not, I like to push this. Do I? It doesn't matter now, because we're just going to exchange. So I'll get this out, get the knight out, attack this, it's defended. See if I come up here. If I come up here, he can take. I can't take, I'm pinned. But this, I think we're good to. Maybe I leave that knight there though. Because if takes, then takes, and we're still solid. I could probably, because I want to get this out, I could probably pin him. He comes down, I go back. He comes down, I go back. And then if he goes here, then I'm kind of trapped. Or I just, yeah, okay, I think that's fine. So let's come out here. Pin him. Okay, he takes. We'll take back with that. We'll see if that's a mistake. Yep, this is going the way I figured. I could do this. He's not going to take there because that would weaken this. He's going to take with his queen. I don't necessarily want that right now, so let's keep the pin. If he comes down, it weakens him. Okay. So, I think now I can probably get this out. And let's keep developing. I think that's relatively slow, but at least it helps me get this out. I can go here. I can even go, not there. I can go here. Or I could just move the queen up. I think I want to pin this though. And then I can get the knight. In a good spot. Let's go here. He's going to come here. And then here, here, here. And then that's attacked because he can't come back with that pin. So let's just see what he does. Yep. Figured. So let's go back here. Maintain the pin. And wanting to get this knight here. Yep, there we go. Okay, so now we're attacking this. Ah, good. Good eye. Can move the queen out, though. Get us a couple more attackers. No, because... yeah, I think that still works. Because I get the queen here. And then he does... What does he do, though? Because this knight can't go anywhere. I guess he could go here. I think it's good for the pressure, though. It's putting pressure up here. This square is protected. He could still come here. I want to get this knight here in castle. Because he can castle now. Bushes take. Bushes. It doesn't do anything. Oh me. I could take there. Yep. Figured that would happen. So if I come back here, that doesn't really hurt anything. I wonder, could I do this? Takes. Then I could take. But takes. No. I think I have to move. I think I have to retreat. Here? Does this do anything? I don't think it does. I think I have to retreat. And then he comes here. Well, he can't come here because I'm attacked. Okay, I think that's fine. I think we're safe there. Oh, sorry. Kino Studia from Azerbaijan. 639, 640. Okay. So, queen coming down here. Don't think there's an issue with that. I think it's left this pawn here. Is this protecting anything? This isn't protecting anything, so I think I can take this. Comes down. No, I just... Right. Lose 6 minutes. I come here. What can he do? I think it might be safe to take that pawn. And it gets me out of this predicament. Okay. So now he can't castle here. Is now the time. Wonder, oh, now I can. Okay, this looks good. So, queen can't. If I come back here, knight can't move. He's skewered, pinned. This is protected by this, so queen can't take. Kind of like that. So, if he lets me take, that looks good. I'm also able to take this, see what he's doing. Is that a threat? If I come up here, same thing. think so. And then he comes down one more. I can just take here. Yeah, because this pawn is blocking, and then my rook has control of this. Man, it's every time I think about making a move, constantly second guessing, especially being on camera or live. Just that feeling of thinking to make a good move and then they take your queen. Great. Or they just completely obliterate you. That's not super fun. I do need to castle, but I don't know if it's necessarily necessary at this point. So, take. I think that was a good move for him. I can go ahead and get the knight out. I jump out here, come up here, and then I'm guarding that, or do I want to jump here? I think it might be good to route up to here. That way, let's try that. So he's not attacking anything at the moment. But now I'm guarding this. So we're at 750 to 430. Okay. Didn't think it'd be that easy to attack, but I was wrong. The good thing of him being there, can I just move back? I think this might be safe. Let's just move back. Sorry. I probably need to back away from the mic when I do that. So this guy's still... How can I take advantage of that pin? I don't know if I can at the moment. I guess let's move this and he comes and takes. But then it doesn't matter. He can just do that, and it's better to have that helps him a lot. So what's he gonna do? Because this guy is safe for him. Okay. I think that's good for me though. I kind of wanted that. Do I want to? If I do this, maybe I do this and then castle. I think that might be good. Because I wanted him up here anyways. And now we're free here. Move this rook up. Yeah, I don't know what that does. Okay. Oh, okay. You wanted to move the knight, so we got that out of the way. Makes sense. So now I can attack the knight. I can also just take the pawn, attack this rook. I might do that first. Might go here. Attack the rook. He has to move it here or here. But yeah, he can't move it there. He has to move it here. And then... yeah, and then attack the knight. So let's take this. I don't think he saw that. So now we're up 8 points material, but oh man, I do not want to even think about saying that we're good. Now this looks pretty good, except for this. Let's see, this takes, let's just come back down and attack the rook. Let's come back. And then I can move here, which is what I wanted to do in the first place. And now we're about still about 230 to 645. Okay. So here. I think that's fine. So I'll hop up here. Yeah, I'm not too worried about that. And then we got this. I could also, check. Move. So I can do this. He takes. I take. Yeah. Let's go ahead and swap queens. I think I lost on that though. Yeah. Still up 6 points of material. Might be able to move a little faster. Let's go ahead and get our rooks moving into the game. Nope. All right, this is where I have to convert, but conversion is the worst. Let's go here. Okay. Yeah, it's fine. I had to do it. He doesn't have a good answer, though. So I think I can still take if he doesn't move the knight. But he's probably going to want to move it here. No? Interesting. So we do this. Win the bishop. Let's go ahead and promote this. Well, I can't. He's going to take this now. Oh, good. No, because I would have. Boom. Nice. Well, resignation. Rematch, not today. I can't see this. Not today, and let's game review it. Well, that was a good game. All right, 87% accuracy. We got 0 blunders, 1 miss, 1 mistake, 2 inaccuracies. So pretty happy with that game. We both played very well for our rating. At least this says what we do. We did. So, all right. So let's go. All right. So we have E4. We have Carl Kahn. Book. Okay. So he pins. Oh. Yep. Okay. That could have pinned there. He could have easily. Well, no. If let's see. If I would have gone here, his next move would have been C3. Yeah. So guarding. So blocking the pin and guarding. Okay. So that's the right. And then G4. So that then after that, he would just go for developing. No, I would do. Oops. Yeah. I would do G4 to pin the queen. Okay, then we go from there. So let's go back. Best move, good move. Okay, shouldn't have done that. Should have gone. Okay, so just retreated. B2. Oh, A3 is an accuracy. Because then I go to C3. Oh, keep the pin, attack the rook. Okay, and then he would go here. And I take F3. Wait. Duh. Because if he does that, then I'd take that. That's good to know. All right, that was good. Good move. Nice. Okay, glad that was what I was supposed to do. Take the pawn. That was a mistake. Did I capitalize? I didn't. I missed. How did I miss? Knight. No. Queen takes F3. Wait. Oh, duh. Because then that would have been very advantageous. Of course. Just call it a mouse slip. Didn't go far enough. That was a good one. Nice. Okay, there was an inaccuracy. So best move would have been, was it bishop C? Okay, so the check. So this check earlier would have been good. And then he would have moved to here. And then that would have allowed me to get out of trouble. Yeah. Okay, I could have got out of trouble. Okay, so I didn't necessarily lose on that. Too bad on that exchange. Everything was good. It was forced. And that is where we ended it. Thank goodness. 6 to 120 at the end there. It was getting really close, but was able to pull it through. So now we're at 654, closing in on the highest rating. So appreciate you guys staying with me, and we'll see you next time.